Imagine life without a refrigerator, milk souring overnight, meat spoiling in hours. Before this cool invention, that was daily reality. Let's discover how the refrigerator was invented and how it changed food storage forever. For centuries, people used ice houses, underground cellars, and salt to preserve food. Blocks of ice were cut from frozen lakes and stored in insulated boxes called ice boxes, but these methods were inconvenient and unreliable. Narration. In 1834, Jacob Perkins built the first working vapor compression refrigerator using ether to absorb and release heat, a principle still used today. Later, Carl von Linde refined the design. Making refrigeration practical for homes and businesses. Visuals, portraits of Jacob Perkins and Carl von Linde, simple animation of vapor compression cycle. Early industrial refrigerators. Before we continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. By the early 1900s, electric refrigerators replaced ice boxes. Suddenly people could store dairy, meat, and vegetables for days. This shifted shopping habits, diets, and even global trade, allowing fresh produce and seafood to travel across continents. Today's refrigerators are energy efficient and even smart, tracking groceries, making ice automatically, and connecting to Wi-Fi. Yet the core principle, removing heat to keep food cold, remains the same. The refrigerator didn't just keep food fresh, it reshaped economies, cuisine, and daily life. Next time you open your fridge, remember it's more than an appliance. It's a revolution in your kitchen.